This next section is called candidates. And this is then when RecXchange becomes very powerful. Everything here is designed to help you manage candidates properly, whether they're yours, shared, or matched to roles on the platform. Inside this section, there are three main things to understand. First will be the AI search. Then your private candidate workspace and also talent pools. Once you understand the difference, the rest becomes simple. AI search gives you access to over 270 million candidate profiles. This is where you find the candidates faster, especially if you don't already have some on your database. You can search, review profiles, and decide whether someone is worth working with before doing anything else. Here's how it works. Once you click into candidates, first thing that comes up is the AI search. This is so much smarter than a lot of other recruitment tools because the search string that you put in this, it's not a Boolean search where you have to use inverted commas and brackets and ors and nots. This is comma separated. You could have a job description next to you. And if it is you are looking for a Java developer in Dubai, then all you would have to do is just put in some of the keywords that they would need and just separate the keywords with a comma. So if we say Java and JavaScript, different job titles that they may use, software engineer, software developer, Java developer, all separated with a comma, and then location, you can just put in different locations and you click search. And here we have the candidates. Once you've got these candidates, you can reveal their LinkedIn profile, you can reveal their email, or you can reveal their phone number, depending how fast you want to work, depending how fast you want to get them involved with a role. You have these options, and once you do reveal one of them, you can then add that candidate to your private workspace. You've already got their profile, and now you have them listed. Your private candidate workspace is exactly that. It's private. This is where you upload your own candidates and manage them inside RecXchange. Nothing here is shared unless you choose to share it. To add a candidate, here's what you need to do. You head to Candidates. Go to the button that says Add Candidate. And all you do is you upload the CV in a PDF format. Once it starts, you can see it's processing. It's extracting that data straight into the fields for you. Now, there will be the case you may need to put some in yourself. And if we look here, we can see we've got a lot of them already filled in for us. We could just put in, obviously, their notice period, LinkedIn profile, postcode is a required because it has an asterisk, and so is the country. Salary expectations, and of course we want to make sure that we are still promoting the right way to do recruitment, and that is that you gain their consent. You've spoken to this person and they are looking to work with you and for you to help them find a new role. So you have their consent. And then if we scroll down, there we go. We can see that candidate is now listed. You can see what we call the candidate card. From here, we have a few options. You can submit them to a private role that you're working on by clicking Apply and choosing the role that you want them to work on. You can submit them to a RecDirect premium role. or you can share to the Recruiter Exchange, and this puts them straight into the Exchange engine. You can also have a candidate across multiple roles. So if it was the case, you wanted this candidate to be submitted to a private role that you were working on, if you want them to be submitted to a role within RecXdirect, you would then click on that candidate and apply. And finally, if you also wanted that candidate in the Exchange engine in case a role comes up which is suitable for them, you then click Share to Recruiter Exchange. The third space within candidates is talent pools. Now, this is a great way to stay efficient and make sure that you don't lose track of any great candidates. Because if you're a pro user, you have up to 10,000 candidates that you can have stored on this system. That is very easy to then lose track of great candidates. So what we would suggest is to open a talent pool based on whatever is best for you, whether it be location, job title, industry, salary bracket, permanent or contract, whatever works best for you and your recruitment, set them up that way. To set up a talent pool, here's how you do it. You head into talent pools and you click the button that says Create Talent Pool. And you can name this. You can assign it a different color. And then you create. All you have to do, view the pool. You can see that we have no candidates in there at the moment, but if you want some in there that someone you've just spoken to, one we've just uploaded, highlight them, add selected, and there they are. So next time you're looking on the dashboard, the latest roles that have just hit the platform, and you see, say, Java developer in Dubai, you know you've got a talent pool for it. You go straight into your talent pool, click on the candidate, remind yourself who they are. Here's an example of a candidate card. This is the demo user I uploaded earlier today. This candidate card gives you the information of where their CV and information is. We've got the information listed in front of us, what roles they've been assigned to, and by clicking on My Roles, you can see that they've already applied for one. If you wanted more information, you can load their full profile card by clicking on their name, and that brings up everything that you need. You can view their CV and download their CV from there as well. Click on the edit button and you can edit. You are always in control of your candidates. RecXchange just gives you the structure, speed, and visibility.